In the vast ocean, among the rolling waves, schools of flying fish glide gracefully above the water like small birds soaring in the sky. Their long, slender fins spread wide, bending with the wind, forming delicate wings of shimmering white. These flying fish, though small and fragile in appearance, possess an incredible strength and a remarkable survival instinct, making them a symbol of resilience in the animal kingdom. Not only are they an important part of the marine ecosystem, but they are also a precious food source, nourishing millions of people around the world. Each year, the fishing industry harvests hundreds of thousands of tons of flying fish from tropical and subtropical waters, meeting the enormous demand from domestic and international markets. These flying fish are not just a rich source of protein, but also an essential ingredient in the cuisine of many countries, ranging from simple dishes like steamed fish to more complex meals such as fried flying fish or fresh fish salads. Together, we will follow the fishermen aboard their small boats as they brave the rolling waves to bring flying fish from the vast ocean to the shore. Every fishing trip is a journey of hard work, requiring patience, skill, and a bit of luck. Before setting out to sea, the fishermen prepare everything from their fishing gear to fuel, and most importantly, the large fire on their boat, which is their secret weapon to attract the flying fish. Flying fish have a unique habit. They are strongly attracted to light, especially at night. As the sun sets and darkness blankets the ocean, the fishermen light a fire on their boats to draw the flying fish toward them. When the flames flare up, the fish are drawn in, and soon, schools of flying fish are darting toward the light, creating a mesmerizing and magical scene. The combination of nature's rhythm and human skill creates a beautiful, mysterious night where light and darkness blend together, and the flying fish appear like mythical creatures in the water. Flying fish are most active just before dawn when the ocean's surface begins to ripple slightly, signaling the start of a new cycle in nature. At this time, the flying fish begin migrating in large schools, seeking areas with abundant food. Experienced fishermen carefully monitor the movement of the waters, the direction of the wind, and even signs in the sky to predict when the fish will appear. They understand the smallest changes in the marine environment, from the swells of the waves to the colors of the sky, in order to know exactly where and when the flying fish will be drawn to the light from their boat. Once the boat reaches the right spot and the flying fish begin to surface, the fishermen quickly cast their nets, pulling up the shimmering silver fish. The boats return to shore as the sun begins to rise, laden with baskets full of flying fish, which sparkle like treasures granted by the sea. Upon reaching the shore, the flying fish are immediately unloaded. Workers are already waiting to sort them by size. The fish are placed in large ice-filled containers to maintain a low temperature, ensuring they remain fresh during transport to the market or processing facilities. Each fish is carefully handled to ensure no impurities are left behind. Once the flying fish reach the processing plant, they undergo a thorough and meticulous procedure. Workers use sharp knives to remove the heads and fins of the fish. This is a delicate task, requiring precision, as any mistake could affect the appearance of the fish. After being thoroughly rinsed and inspected, the fish are briefly steamed at high temperatures. This process helps preserve the texture and flavor of the fish while keeping their natural shape intact. After processing, the flying fish are carefully packaged and prepared for their next journey to restaurants, markets, or homes eager to enjoy their fresh taste. These flying fish are not just food, they are an integral part of the culinary culture of coastal regions, where fishermen and the sea live in harmony, maintaining and developing this age-old fishing tradition for generations. Each flying fish is not only a gift from the ocean, but also a result of the hard work, patience, and wisdom of the fishermen. They are the guardians of this ancient craft, preserving and advancing the flying fish industry, contributing to the sustainable marine economy, and providing benefits to their communities. Canned flying fish is the perfect choice for quick and convenient meals, while still ensuring great taste and high nutritional value. The tender, naturally sweet meat of flying fish pairs beautifully with rich sauces, offering a variety of delicious dishes. Whether you're preparing a simple meal or something more complex, canned flying fish is a versatile option that retains all the flavors and benefits of fresh fish, making it a popular choice in many households. In many coastal regions of Japan, flying fish are often grilled over hot charcoal. This traditional cooking method not only releases a distinctive aroma, but also creates a mesmerizing culinary experience. The scent of grilled flying fish fills the air, making the atmosphere more vibrant and enticing. Alternatively, flying fish can be dried for long-term preservation, which is a traditional method that keeps the fish fresh and flavorful. Dried flying fish is often used as a key ingredient in dashi broth, an essential component in many Japanese dishes, as well as an important addition to various homemade recipes, enhancing the richness and depth of the flavors. The subtly sweet and rich flavor of flying fish has become an integral part of the culinary heritage in coastal communities. The dishes made with flying fish are closely tied to warm, home-cooked family meals and long-standing traditions passed down through generations. The unique taste of flying fish, along with its traditional preparation methods, has become a cherished part of Japanese culinary culture, evoking feelings of warmth, nostalgia, and connection within families. Meanwhile, modern technology in agriculture is enhancing the quality and efficiency of animal husbandry. In pig farming, for example, an advanced LED lighting system helps piglets easily find warm spots to nurse from their mothers. This system not only supports the healthy development of the piglets, but also creates a comfortable living environment that encourages their natural development right from the start. The pig pens are equipped with flap doors and dark-colored heat diffusers to maintain warmth for the piglets during their early stages. The pens are also designed with sunbathing areas, allowing the pigs to bask in sunlight, which promotes immunity, reduces the risk of disease, improves digestion, and supports overall healthy development. Exposure to sunlight helps create a more natural living environment, which enables the pigs to grow up strong, healthy, and happy. Water is provided outside the pens to maintain dryness and reduce the risk of disease. The door system and step platforms are designed to prevent the pigs from bringing manure into their resting areas, optimizing living conditions and ensuring cleanliness in the pen. This not only helps maintain hygiene in the barns, but also ensures the pigs live in a clean, healthy environment. In modern food processing plants, the slaughtering process is fully automated using high-tech machinery, ensuring both efficiency and humane treatment of animals. Pigs are placed on the processing line, where an automated system removes their hair. This is followed by a flame-singeing process to clean the skin and sterilize the surface. This procedure helps minimize processing time, while ensuring the meat is handled quickly and safely, without compromising its quality. The use of advanced technology in these processes not only increases productivity, but also ensures that animals are treated humanely, with the ultimate goal of producing high-quality, clean, and safe food products for consumers. Workers or the machinery system make a long incision along the abdomen, carefully avoiding damage to internal organs to prevent contamination of the meat. This incision is an important step in the processing procedure, as it allows for the clean removal of internal organs, ensuring that the meat remains uncontaminated. The precision with which this is done ensures that all parts of the animal are properly processed without compromising the safety or quality of the meat. The goal is to maintain a high level of hygiene and ensure that the meat remains safe for consumption by adhering to strict food safety standards. Once the initial incision is made, the meat is carefully inspected to ensure there are no irregularities or impurities. The next step involves carefully separating the internal organs and ensuring that the meat remains untouched by any contaminants. The focus is always on minimizing waste and maximizing the quality of the meat that will ultimately reach consumers. By keeping the meat in its best condition throughout this process, the final product will be of superior quality, providing consumers with a product they can trust. Pork thighs are among the most highly valued cuts of meat due to their tenderness and lean, low-fat content. The pork thigh is an especially desirable cut because of its perfect balance of texture and flavor, making it ideal for a wide variety of dishes, from grilling to slow roasting. Skilled workers use sharp knives to delicately fillet the meat, separating the muscle fibers from the bone without affecting the meat's texture. This is an intricate process that requires both expertise and a steady hand, as the right technique can make all the difference in ensuring that the meat remains tender and flavorful. Proper handling during the filleting process helps retain the best possible texture, making the pork thighs a premium choice for discerning consumers. In addition to fresh meat, sausages are another highly sought-after product in the market. Sausages are versatile, flavorful, and an essential part of many cultures' culinary traditions. In sausage production plants, the entire process is automated, and every stage is closely monitored to ensure both the quality and safety of the product. The raw meat is carefully mixed with a variety of spices, salts, binders, and other ingredients in industrial mixers. This blending process is vital for achieving the distinctive flavor profile of sausages that consumers enjoy. The entire production process is carried out in a closed environment to prevent contamination, and the use of high-tech machinery ensures that the sausages are produced consistently and to the highest standard. The attention to detail in every step of sausage production helps guarantee that each batch is flavorful, safe, and of the highest quality. Sausages and other pork products are not only known for their diverse flavors, but are also an essential source of nutrition in many diets. Pork is a rich source of high-quality protein, providing the essential building blocks for muscle growth and repair. In addition to protein, pork contains essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells, while zinc plays a crucial role in immune function, wound healing, and cell division. Vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health and energy production, is abundant in pork, making it an important nutrient for overall well-being. The nutritional benefits of pork go beyond just its protein content. Pork provides a significant energy supply, making it an important component in diets that support an active lifestyle. The amino acids found in pork are beneficial for muscle development, and the fats in pork, when consumed in moderation, help maintain healthy cell function. By including pork in the diet, individuals can ensure they are getting a balanced intake of essential nutrients that support their overall health. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why pork and its byproducts, such as sausages, have become an essential part of many diets worldwide. Whether enjoyed in a family meal or used in fine culinary creations, pork provides a wide range of culinary possibilities. From fresh cuts like pork thighs to processed products like sausages, pork offers something for everyone. As we reach the end of this journey, I'd like to thank you for accompanying me along the way. We've explored the intricate process of meat production and the essential role that pork plays in providing nutritious and delicious food. I look forward to taking you on more exciting adventures in the future, with even more fascinating discoveries about the foods we eat and the processes behind them.